Yeah, and speaking of the roads, several drivers really shared remarkable video of the smoke and the fire as they drove along I-84 this afternoon. Quackenbush spoke with one of those drivers. He's in the newsroom. Kyle, what can you tell us?
Certainly worth repeating. First of all, Interstate 84 once again closed both directions between Hood River and the Dalles. The main east-west connector will remain closed for the time being. Video shows the scene along this stretch of interstate this afternoon. Dale Quackenbush shot this video as he drove east on I-84. He was headed home to the Dalles. Dale said he could see smoke in the distance, as you see right there. Didn't realize it was a fast-moving wildfire until he got a little bit closer, and as he approaches, then he actually could see some flames. Quickly, visibility, it really became limited. At one point, he said he could only see a few cars in front of him. Left and right of the roadway, you could see the smoke. Luckily, most drivers, they did slow down. They put their hazard lights on. Some drivers actually pulled over. We don't know what exactly caused this fire, but as you look out his passenger side window, you can see some actual fire there. I spoke with Dale shortly after he arrived in the Dalles via FaceTime.
At first I thought it was okay. I mean, I knew it was okay the whole time, but it wasn't until I realized when we were going through it that I honestly started to panic. And if you could hear me telling, like, my mom, who lives in California, I'm telling my mom, it's okay. If you see this before I get a chance to post it, I'm okay. I'm safe. But I was actually panicking a little bit.
He did arrive safely in the Dalles. Again, Interstate 84 closed between Hood River and the Dalles. On the other side of the river in Washington, SR 14 is also closed in both directions between Wind River Road, Carson Junction to Collins State Pit.
Yeah, truly terrifying. We've heard from another driver who said that they could feel the heat from those flames coming through their windows as they were driving by. Again, Quackenbush, appreciate your reporting on this.
No wonder.